Can coffee boost your metabolism? Coffee is a popular beverage that many people enjoy every day. Some people believe that coffee can help to boost their metabolism, but is there any truth to this claim? Let's take a closer look. Caffeine is a type of stimulant that can have an impact on your metabolism. It's thought that caffeine can help to increase the number of calories you burn each day. Studies have shown that coffee can increase your metabolic rate by up to 11%. So if you're looking for a little extra help in burning those calories, make sure to include coffee in your daily routine. There are also some other substances in coffee that might have an impact on your metabolism. For example, chlorogenic acid is a type of antioxidant that's found in coffee. Some studies have shown that chlorogenic acid can help to promote weight loss. However, more research is needed to confirm these results. Does coffee boost your metabolism? There's some evidence that it might have a small impact, but more research is needed to confirm these claims. If you're looking for ways to boost your metabolism, you might want to consider other options, such as exercise or eating a healthy diet. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Comment your thoughts down below and subscribe for more coffee-related videos.